Welcome back. I did not like how flimsy the edges were, so I went and got me some of these side outlet elbows. Essentially it is a 90-degree elbow with a top piece, and I've put those on the bottom and the top and each one of the three corners that I've constructed. Of course, this where the door is going to have something separate, but I'm using these, and then I'm going to go ahead and put PVC in between the top and the bottom, using these to help stiffen everything up. So let's get started working on it. Okay, so I've got just the door and the fencing and roof left to do. I think what I'm going to use for the roof, not 100% sure yet, but I may use some of that corrugated roofing. This way I'll have something sturdy on top, and that'll allow me to hold the water from the top as well. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it's turning out. It's definitely a good project coming forward, and let me take you around on the inside of it a little bit. I know it's getting dark, so hopefully everything will show up. I have the door right here in the front, and what I'm going to do is put a T on either side of these 45s. Put a piece of PVC in on each side, and then have a freestanding door with a PVC hinge on this side. I think this is going to be the side that I want to do. Okay, so we're inside. All of these trees that are poking through right now will be cut back. I was thinking about leaving them in here and just poking them through the wire once I get the wire up, but I think it's a bit overkill. Okay, so the height inside is 7 feet. Should give the birds plenty of room to flutter about.